Hello viewers, let's take a look at what we have on the whiteboard. Let's say you came across this kind of equation. What is the molar mass of the alkyne with the formula CxH14? One thing you need to know, and the little tricks to this kind of equation, is that you need to understand the general molecular formula of alkyne. We all know that alkyne are unsaturated hydrocarbon with triple bond. Now, alkyne general molecular formula is CnH2n minus 2. Now, the formula given is CxH14. And mind you, we don't know the chemical formula is not complete yet because we don't know the number attached to this X. So the first thing we are going to do is that we are to rewrite the formula, the molecular formula of alkyne by replacing the N with X because we don't know the value of our X here. So rewrite alkyne formula. So that will give us CxH2x minus 2. So therefore, we are having H to be our 14. So this will equal to this whole equation here. With that being said, we have 2x minus 2 is equal to 14. So when you collect the like terms, you have 2x is equal to 14 plus 2. 2x is equal to 16. So when you divide both sides by 2, you can say our x is 8. Now that we have our x to be 8, recall that this formula is CxH14. In that case, we are going to replace the x here with 8. So therefore, that will give us C8H14. And mind you, we are asked to look for the molar mass of that alkyne. This compound is named octane. So to calculate the molar mass of the alkyne, that is, what is the molar mass of octane? So guys, we can say we have our atomic mass of carbon is 12 multiplied by 8 plus 1 times 14. That will give us 12 times 8. So let's take a look at our calculator. We can say we have 12 times 8. 12 times 8, we have 96. Are you with me? 1 times 14 is what? Plus 14. So when you add your 96 plus 14, that will give you what? 110 gram. Assuming among the option, we are given it in gram per mole. We all know that the unit of molar mass is gram per mole, but according to the option, we are given our option in gram. So in that case, that you have 110 gram does not mean that you should forget the unit of molar mass, which is gram per mole. Are you with me now? Back to what we have on the board. Don't forget, the first clue is for you to identify the molecular formula of alkyne. That's the first thing. Then you take, by writing the formula, you're going to solve the equation because we don't know the unknown, which is the x, which we have solved here. And since we have gotten the unknown of x to be 8, then the compound of that alkyne is octane. Then the relative molecular mass of octane is 110. Let's take a look at the option here. Option A, we have 90 gram. Option B, we have 86 gram. So therefore, option C is what we solved for. So guys, our answer is Option C. So guys, as I've said earlier, if you are just coming across this video, you need to pay max attention in order for you to understand the steps of how we can solve it. So guys, don't forget to follow us on our TikTok page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any question, do well to drop it in the comments box. Thanks.